Hello all and welcome to my channel InfoSec Geeks. I am Asad Ahmed and today I am going to show you a video on hacking a website using your Android mobile phone. So let me take you to the website we are going to hack today. Opening Chrome browser. Here is a website and let me check if it's vulnerable or not. Yes, it is. It is throwing MySQL error. So I'm going to copy this URL from here and going to our application. This app is very easy to use now. We are going to paste our URL here and tap on inject. Now it's going to inject the website using SQL injection vulnerability, and now we are presented with the backend databases. In our case we got AccuArt and information schema. So let's extract data from this AccuArt. Just tap once on AccuArt and now it's fetching the tables. Now we have several tables here. I am interested in user tables. As you can see, now I can extract name, phone number, passwords, emails, address, etc. So I'm going to check uname box and pass box in my case. And now I'm going to tap on get records. Yes, and we got username and password. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe my channel InfoSec Geeks for more interesting video.